Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you from the Indian Standard Time Zone, all CSI intellectuals, members of the chapters, officers from the regional vice president, immediate past president, and my mentor, none of them, Professor A.K. Nayak. First of all, I would like to thank permission to speak on this platform from my mentor and immediate past president, Computer Society of India, Professor Dr. A.K. Naik sir. Sir, are you permitting me to speak? Thank you, sir. Sir, we floated this event on the 3rd May and accomplished all relevant work. After that, opened for the registration from 4th and 5th May 2020. Registration 1745 till 6:23 p.m. and closed registration on 9th. After that opened for registration from 4th 5 May 2020, we received registration 1745 till 6:23 p.m. and closed registration on 9th May 2020. Thanks to all participant and founder colleagues of the Innovation Society of India, none of them Professor Dr. Aftab Anwar Sheikh, Principal Pune College of Arts and Commerce. Welcome to the journey of futuristic information and communication technology. Computer Society of India is a pioneer to provide platform for IT professionals locally and globally. This webinar on futuristic information and communication technology being initiated to spread the awareness and activity boost up of the CSI Jaipur chapter. As per my observation, since 2014, no valuable activity happened under the standalone umbrella of CSI Jaipur chapter. Especially as on date, we conducted 15 international events till date in association with CSI head office for more brand in India and international level with my associate Dr. Ashish Chandra Swami. Are you ready for GenNest Technology Challenge? As we all aware that information technology is the concept involving the development, maintenance, and use of computer system, software, and network for the processing and distribution of data, often in the context of a business or other enterprises. It is considered to be a subset of information and communication technology. Women have been storing, retrieving, manipulating, and communicating information since the Sumerian in Mesopotamia developed writing in about 3000 BC, but the terms information technology in its modern sense first appeared in a 1958 article published in the Harvard Business Review, authored Holland J. Leiblet and Thomas L. Whistler comment that the new technology does not yet have a single established name. We shall call it information technology. Their definition consists of three categories: technique for processing, the application of statistical and mathematical method of decision making, and the simulation of higher order thinking through computer programs. The term is commonly used as a synonyms for the computers and computer network, but is also encompass other information distribution technology such as televisions, telephones, smartphone, etc. Several products or services within an economy are associated with the information technology, including computer hardware, software, electronics, semiconductor, and internets, telecom equipment, e-commerce, human-to-human commerce, etc. The international webinar on futuristic information technology are providing a platform for the knowledge deliberation and discussion towards information and communication challenge in 2050. Really, it is important to all of us to utilize this lockdown for the betterment of human and humanities through earned and learned skill and experience from academia and corporate. I want to use this singular opportunity to thank and congratulate Professor Dr. Akash Saxena, Dr. Navneet Sharma, Dr. Jayanti Goyal, and Dr. Ashish Chandra Swami I'm also appreciating the effort of participant and keynote address to come forward. I like to thank my other associate and friends, Mr. Dibale Muhammad, Group President, Global South Economic Forum, United Kingdom, and other global friends and colleagues from the Council for the Sustainable Peace and Development. Thanks to all open to protect the people of the world through information dissemination. As a citizen of India, promoter of global innovation, peace and sustainable development, and professor of information and communication technology, today on 10th May 2020, during global lockdown period, we all are suffering from global pandemic COVID-19. Till date, around 2,63,831 globally did happen. It is huge human loss in human mankind in 21st century. We must learn from this action activity and recalculate our all deeds with respect of mother nature and climate sustainability. On this futuristic platform, I am just predicting 9 future technology 2050 that claim futuristic ICT. 2050 seems to be a long way to go, but it is not impossible to predict the future through. With the rate we are moving now, there are so many amazing things going to happen in the future. So where is technology going in the future? In this webinar, I am forecasting some of the future technology and gadgets prediction for 2050 and onward, which may sound a little odd today, but can be a reality in a near future. Life and technology in 2050 will be much more dramatic than we think today. So what will happen in the future with technology? Let us start our predictions. Number one, internet will be free for everyone. Internet is really the key driver this day. We can't think much without it. But it is also a reality that despite its huge popularity, it is not free for everyone yet. Through there is a constant competition going on to bring down the expenses on the internet, but till now it is not free. According to the Economic Times, 46.8% of the total global population has the internet reach. There are already attempts like Facebook, free basic has been made. Through it doesn't work for now. But there is a very strong possibility that internet will be free for everyone in near future. Number two, self-driving cars. Automation is everywhere. So in case of public vehicles, it is not very hard to predict that. These completely self-driving cars will be used in masses by 2050. Several attempts and tests are already going on for this. We only have to insert the start of destination and final destination for our journey. The internet automation system will take care of the rest. Upon arriving in the destination place, it will inform you that. In number three, intercontinental railway can be a reality. Intercontinental railway can be seen by 2050. It is not a dream anymore. It is not a awesome. If you can't take a fast speed train from Mumbai and land to New York in a couple of hours. The Intercontinental Railway project is such an ambitious project supporting this. The future technology for the transportation is here. Number 4, world population will close 960 crores. The world population will cross the 960 marks and will be a much smaller place to live. Despite of this huge population, there will be a crisis for the employment because more than 50% of work would be done by the robot only. Number 5, increased number of cyber attacks. With the increase of internet usage, there will be also a huge increase in the number of cyber crime and hackers. Data privacy and security will be the topmost concern for all government. Will start cybersecurity course from the primary stage of the child education. Number 6, personal aircraft for the short journey. With population and demand, it is not very hard to predict that normal communication medium will not be sufficient. Roads will be compressed much more. So in this case, personal aircraft will be a handy communication medium for common peoples. There will be air traffic controller and these personal aircraft which can be resumed with today aviation industry. Number 7, cancer can be cured easily. The deaths due to cancer will be limited by 2050 to a considerable amount, and it will be a huge achievement in the history of medical science. Many researchers are already showing the trend for this. Number 8, artificial intelligence will be everywhere. Artificial intelligence or AI will be the part of our lives. In every aspect, from the study to entertainment, we will use the AI powered device to make our daily routine tasks. Machine will be more sensitive and personalized by 2050. Do you hear the story about Sophia, the AI robot that once said it would destroy humans? Number 9, humans will be inhabited on Mars. There will be enormous and advancement in a space research, and by the year 2050, human will be inhabit on Mars. We will receive more intelligence signal from the space, and chance are we will able to find the next Earth like planet except us. Space and chance are we will able to find the next Earth like planet except us. In nutshell, this webinar shall mark a path for our Ek Earth, Shreshth Earth philosophy and Vasudev Kutumbakam, the vision of our immediate past president, Professor A.K. Nayak. In creating the awareness of global innovation, peace and sustainable development, we greet you from the Jaipur city, Rajasthan, state of India. We always salute and respect power of Mother Nature, who made us and provide us necessary infrastructure to survive on earth. I remain Professor Ripu Ranjan Sinha, open for global innovation, peace and sustainable development. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Manav. Thank you very much.